It's Saturday today and unfortunately I have to wake up early. But it is actually for a fun thing. So I'll be working this weekend, but it's gonna be for art festival at the Museum of Art and Photography, and there's gonna be a bunch of workshops and activities and nice live performances. And I'm kind of excited for this one. It's gonna be a very vibrant and lively environment, so it's a great way to spend the weekend even if you're working. Also working on some vinyl hangings for my wall over here, and hopefully I get to finish those over the weekend. My room is a mess, but at least I'm ready. I'm wearing that dress which I thrifted and I've showed in my past vlog. Full fit check coming soon. But now I just have to pack my bags and leave as soon as possible. This is my fit for day one. Ready to go. It's too early in the morning for this. Dream change. Winters has truly arrived in Bangalore. It's so cold. This is Tamanna. Give us a fit check, Tamanna. Go get some breakfast from airlines.
Absolutely. Even though the coffee is crap, but okay.
The coffee is kind of crap here.
Whenever I see dosa, I feel like there's some new space in my stomach that's created, so I'm hungry again.
We have butter masala dosa.
And jeera water, which I've never had.
It's not the worst.
It's not the best.
Who is the loser?
Akriti.
And who's the liar?
Akriti.
Came home for a quick minute to have some lunch and change because it's actually freezing outside, and that dress was good for fashion purposes but not for practicality purposes. So now I'm just in a cute little sweater and jeans, and it just feels so much better. The next day, it was so late coming back for me last night that I was exhausted and couldn't do any of the vinyl stuff which I planned, but hopefully I get a chance to do it today. It's day 2 of the event and I have to be there around 12, so I'm just having like a quick breakfast, having a slow morning before I have to go there. But it's going to be an exciting one because today is Rekha Bharadwaj's performance, so I think everyone is really hyped up for that. This was also one of the things I ended up making yesterday. It was in a traditional block painting workshop, and it is so pretty. You get to choose your own options and then you get to like block print on it. So I think they're doing really cool stuff out there at MAP. Something which is like unique, something which I haven't done before. You get a chance to do it. Ready for day 2. Been here at MAP all day long, and we have so many events and festivals going and coming. I finally got a time to just sit and read my book. Yeah, because we have the Rekha Bharadwaj performance in like some time, around half an hour, and that is the most anticipated event of the entire festival. So I can't wait for that. कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी ना धूप तुझे ना छाँव कैसे
तेरे गुरु रे किसी ठौर के नाम बन लिया अपना पैगंबर कर लिया तू सात समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा रे कबीरा मान जा रे कबीरा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाया उसे मुकम्मल कर दिया वो जो थोड़ी सी बात बाकी है वो जो